One sunny morning, Emma decided to visit the park. She put on her hat, grabbed her backpack, and set off on her walk. The park was filled with the sweet sounds of birds. And the gentle rustling of leaves. As she walked, she saw children playing soccer, their laughter filling the air. She sat on a bench and watched them for a while. Enjoying the warm sun and cool breeze. A small dog, a fluffy golden retriever, trotted up to her, wagging its tail. Emma petted the dog, smiling at its friendly demeanor. After a while, she continued her walk, passing by a beautiful flower garden. The colors were vibrant, with red roses, purple lavenders, and yellow daisies. She took a deep breath, enjoying the floral scents. Feeling hungry, Emma stopped at a small cafe in the park. She ordered a sandwich and a lemonade and sat at an outdoor table. Enjoying her meal as she ate, she watched the ducks swimming in the nearby pond. Her day at the park was simple yet delightful. She felt refreshed and happy as she made her way home, thinking about her next visit.